What are NCAA transfer waiver approval rates? Have you ever wondered how often student-athletes get approved for transfer waivers in the National Collegiate Athletic Association? Understanding this can really help if you are navigating the world of sports and academics. Transfer waivers allow athletes to compete immediately at a new school without having to sit out a year, which is usually required. The approval rates for these waivers can change based on several factors, including the sport, the year, and the specific reasons for the transfer. Historically, the rates have ranged from about 50% to 80%. For instance, during the 2017 to 2018 school year, the overall approval rate across all sports was around 83%. However, this rate dropped to about 66% during a later period from April to November of 2019. When we look specifically at men's basketball, the approval rate was lower, with only about 52% of waiver requests being approved. The National Collegiate Athletic Association evaluates these requests based on various factors. These include the reason for the transfer, such as coaching changes, injuries, mental health issues, or financial hardships. Academic performance, timing of the request, and the policies of the institution also play a role in the decision-making process. These waivers are significant for student-athletes trying to balance their sports commitments with their academic goals. The National Collegiate Athletic Association expects athletes to maintain academic eligibility, which includes meeting grade, point average, and credit requirements. Often, documentation is required to show that the transfer will not hinder timely degree completion. If you are a student-athlete looking to improve your chances of getting a transfer waiver approved, there are some steps you can take. First, maintaining strong academic standing is essential. Next, providing clear and documented reasons for your transfer can help your case. Engaging institutional support can also make a difference, as thorough applications tend to be more successful. Lastly, submitting your waiver request promptly allows the National Collegiate Athletic Association enough time to review it. In summary, while approval rates for transfer waivers can fluctuate, they generally fall between 50% and 2/3 depending on the sport and year. These waivers are important for helping student-athletes manage the challenges of transferring schools while keeping their athletic eligibility and academic progress on track.